Good day. Welcome to the Gulf News Update for Wednesday, November the 11th. Here are the top stories at this hour. Hundreds of Philippine soldiers and police poured into a city devastated by Super Typhoon Haiyan today, trying to contain looting that threatens an emergency relief effort. More than 10,000 people are feared to have died after Haiyan sent tsunami-like waves and brutal winds tearing across large swaths of the Philippine archipelago over the weekend. Authorities said at least 2 million people in 41 provinces had been affected. The UAE has announced support and assistance programs and projects worth $10 million for the Philippines. Meanwhile, thousands of Filipino expats in the UAE have voiced concerns for the typhoon-hit provinces as they await word about their loved ones back home. Dubai police have seized a four-wheel drive for its deadly modifications that could have led to the car's fuel tank exploding. Major General Mohammad Saif Al-Zafin, director of Dubai Police Traffic Department, told Gulf News that police patrols followed the driver and stopped him on Tripoli Road near Al-Warqa roundabout while the car was traveling at 260 kilometers per hour. Syria's main opposition alliance says it will attend planned peace talks if a number of conditions are met. The Syrian National Coalition is calling for a guarantee that relief agencies will be given access to besieged areas and political prisoners will be released. Continuing celebrations to mark its 10th anniversary ahead of November 12th, Etihad Airways conducted a flypast on the Abu Dhabi Corniche. The Sunday event hosted the airline's staff, VIPs and members of the Abu Dhabi government. Sport and defending champion Novak Djokovic set up a final clash against Rafael Nadal with a 6-3, 6-3 win over Stanislas Wawrinka at the ATP World Tour Finals in London last night. Nadal survived former world number 1 Roger Federer 7-5, 6-3 in another installment of their epic rivalry. Miley Cyrus sparked up on stage, host Redfoo stripped to his bare essentials, Robin Thicke performed with topless dancers, and Katy Perry sang an entire song suspended in the air in what was a night filled with great performances, predictable winners, and a moment of silence for the typhoon-ravaged people in the Philippines. But this year's MTV EMAs belong to Eminem, who was honored with the Global Icon Award. Herbie Hancock and Rennie Fleming are among the next performers announced for next year's Abu Dhabi Festival. The jazz icon and American opera star will join the American Ballet Theatre at the March 2014 festival, which will have the United States as its country of honor. And finally, the weather. Today's high across the UAE will be 31 degrees Celsius, dropping to 21 at night. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. And as always, you can get the latest news at gulfnews.com.